Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to Forex Billionaire Hub. And in this video, we're going to analyze the market for next week. And this is the technical analysis. And for fundamental analysis, we will update another video. You may know that we are updating every week a brand new analysis. There we are sharing where can be market goes or what will be happen in next few days. That means this is our weekly analysis. Okay. And we also have a Telegram channel, and we are sharing daily a lot of analysis and updates into our Telegram channel. There you will also get free signals, so if you are interested to join, you can join channel link in video description box. Okay, so let's get back our analysis. As per our analysis style, we start our analysis with higher time frame, then we will go into lower time frame to find out our market path or market entry. Okay, so let's get back into weekly time frame to check out the market trend. As you can see there, in weekly time frame, market is in completely buy trend. And if I especially take a look on last week market movement, that as you can see there was a long bullish movement than previous weeks or previous days. Okay, there is one movement and there is another one, and previous week we have NFP movement. That means we was with NFP and market is trying to move still in bullish, especially when Donald Trump comes into the power or Donald Trump takes control of United States. In that case, market is trying to go more up. Okay, and the market is going more up, or XAUUSD or gold is going more up, means United States dollar is getting weaker day by day. Okay, this is the current scenario. That means the more USD gone weaker means more gold will go up, and it may hit 4,000 as soon as possible if that inflation continues on United States dollar. So let's get back into our analysis. And as per our weekly analysis, market is strong bullish trend. And if I want to go or get back into daily time frame, as you can see there, if I especially want to see last few days or last few months movement, as you can see, the market is rapidly growing. That means rapidly moving into bullish side. And if I especially want to show you our last week movement, that means there was 5 days, and as you can see there, Monday market was in big bull, and in Tuesday market was also on bullish, and in Thursday, in Wednesday there was a pin bar, that means bullish pin bar, and in Thursday there was a bearish pin bar, and finally the NFP day market is there is a big bullish. Okay, and if I especially want to go H4 or H1 time frame to find out a proper direction or path, or to find out our market direction, and as you can see there, market is rapidly growing. That means market is rapidly trying to go up, and there is the trend line for H4. And if I want to draw upper trend from there to there, okay, from this scenario or from this trend line, as you can see there, market is trying to create a pattern, and again it may go or it may hit there, and in that moment it will touch 4,000. Okay, by touching this trend line here or somewhere around about here. Okay, and if I make it H1 time frame to find out a proper path or direction, as you can see, there's a lot of thing to happens or going to happens. And if I want to remove all of our previous drawing and want to get back into H1 time frame analysis, if we select H1, as you can see there is also some trend line, or as you can see there, if I check that one and that one also, this is a trend line for now, and we have a broken trend line in upper zone. As you can see, this is the broken trend line. Okay, as per our trend line strategy, what can be happen here? There is a breakout, it will go more up, then it will give us another pullback to retest this zone, then it will go up. This is our trend line breakout strategy. Okay, and if suppose it's a fake breakout, then what can be happened there? It can be go down there, that means again break the trend line and again give us a pullback, then it can again go down. So you may ask me, Mr. Boom, what is going to happen in that particular area? for that we need to take support, or we need to find out some strategy over here. Okay, and if I want to find out support or resistance zone over there, and if you especially want to see the support zone here, we can see a resistance zone there. And if I want to find out a support zone, that could be around this particular area. Okay, this particular area. So for now let me zoom out a little bit more. For now, this is our support area, this is our resistance area. Okay, resistance area, this is our support, and upper zone is resistance area. And if I want to make sure that zones with our Fibonacci retracement, let me go Fibonacci retracement, and we have to find out our latest previous high and latest previous low zone. As you can see there, our 61, that means most important area, 61.8 zone is around this support area, and our 100 area is this resistance area, and another area is 161.8. those three are major or most important area. This is near around 3940. okay, 3940 around there. So what we need to do, let's remove the zone. We already find out our path or direction, what can be happen in that particular area. From my point of view, for technically and fundamentally, market can reach this particular area and it may go down till there, then we can consider a buy entry from that particular area. Okay, so you may ask me, Mr. why? As you can see there is one time, two time market reached that zone and it failed to make a breakout. It again down, it again up. It may go down till there because there is a strong point 61.8 maybe. Okay, so that's area, Fibonacci retracement area is there, and we have also a support area over there. So it may go down till there and again it may go up from there. So we have to wait. If you want to sell, you have to wait till that particular area to get a confirmation. Then if we give you a bearish confirmation, that means goes the sell confirmation, then you can enter a sell till that particular area. And if you want to buy, market is mostly on buy trend. You may know that we already seen at on higher time frame. So if you want to avoid sell entry and just want to take buy entry, then you have to wait till that particular area, then you can consider a buy entry. Okay, so I hope all things clear now. For small time frame trader, let me analyze for them who want to scalp like our VIP channel or free channel. So let's get back into M13 or M15 time frame. M15, let me consider M15 time frame, and as you can see there is also a strong resistance zone as like let me make it perfect, as like H1 time frame. Okay, so it's already 1, 2 time, 3 time touch this resistance area and still on bullish trend line. If it touch this particular area and make a breakout this bullish line, this trend line, then we will wait for pullback, then we can take a sell entry. Okay, above there. And for buy, we have to wait till this area breakout, this resistance area breakout, then pullback, then we can take a buy entry around this particular area. It will go up. Okay, so this is the entry for now, and I hope all things clear now. If you want more analysis like that, or more, if you want to learn more about that analysis, you may join our public Telegram channel t.me/FX Billionaire Hub. We will update a lot of analysis in Monday to Friday. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.